Yes, good morning students. We will start new chapter, chapter 8, that is cell, the unit of life. As you know that cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell consists of various cell organelles as shown in the figure: ribosomes, mitochondria, cytoplasm, microtubules, lysosomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, centriole, nucleus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, etc. So, in this chapter we will discuss its structures, cell structure and function of the various cell organelles. Discovery of the cell. In the year 1965, Robert Hooke observed slices of cork from the bark of a tree under a simple magnifying glass. He noticed small boxes or compartments in the corked slice. The boxes were separated from each other by a wall or partition. He named each box as a cell. The cell which Hooke observed were actually dead cells of plants. The literal meaning of cell is a small room or compartment. See the picture of Robert Hooke and cork cell, what he observed under the simple microscope in the year 1965. Cell theory. Cell theory was formulated by Sladen and Schwann and was modified by Rudolf Virchow. The cell is the smallest unit of life. The cell is a basic structural and functional unit of living organisms. New cells arises from pre-existing cells. Omnis cellula cellular. All organisms are composed of one or more cells. There are two types of cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. First we will see the prokaryotic cells. In Greek, pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. In prokaryotic cells, there is no true nucleus, no nucleus is there, no membrane bounded organelles like mitochondria or chloroplast present. Bacteria and blue green algae are the example of prokaryotic cells. Reproduction by asexual means of reproduction, example budding and fission. First type of cell on the earth. It is very small, its size ranges from 1 to 10 micrometer. DNA without histones covering. Another example, bacteria, mycoplasma, blue green algae. Eukaryotic cells. In Greek, eu means two, karyon means nucleus, means the cell having the true nucleus. All the membrane bound cell organelles are present. All the other organisms except bacteria and blue green algae belongs to this group having eukaryotic cells. Cell size is generally 10 to 100 micrometer. Includes protist, plants, animal cells. See the structure of various cell sizes, eukaryotic cells, prokaryotic cells. Cell are the basic structural units of living organism. Some organisms are made up of single cell or some are made up of many cells. The number of cells in a tall tree or an animal like an elephant or human being are billions and trillions of cells. Organisms made up of many cells are called multicellular organisms, as for example tree, elephant, human, cow, etc. Organisms made up of only one cell are called unicellular organisms, example amoeba, paramecium. See the example of paramecium and amoeba, then amoeba in a tree. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic organism. Shape of the cell. Cells are of different shapes. Some cells keep changing their shapes, amoeba, white blood cells in human beings. Other common shapes are spherical, round, elongated, spindle shaped, branched, etc. See the picture of different types of cells showing different shapes. Size of the cells. Cells in living organisms are of different sizes. They may be as small as millionth of a meter or micron, or large as a few centimeters. The smallest cell is called cell of bacteria, that is PPLO. The size is 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. The largest cell is the egg of an ostrich, that is 17 centimeter into 13 centimeter. Cell membrane is the first cell organelle, that is also known as plasma membrane. Outer membrane of cell that controls the entry and exit of the substances according to the requirement of the cell. Sanger and Nicholson in the year 1972 gave the fluid mosaic model of the plasma membrane. According to this, the quasi-fluid nature of lipid enables lateral movement of proteins within the overall bilayer. Two types of proteins, peripheral and integral proteins with cholesterol, glycolipids and glycoproteins. Erythrocytes membrane has 52% of protein and 40% lipids. Function: it is semi-permeable and helps in transport of molecule across it. See the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. Lipid bilayer is there, glycoprotein, oligosaccharides, phospholipids, transmembrane protein, phospholipid and integral protein. Passive transport: the transport of molecules from higher concentration. It do not utilize energy. Example, diffusion. Active transport: transport of molecules from lower to higher or lower to lower concentration. It utilizes ATP. Example, sodium potassium pump, ATPase pump. Passive transport: simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion and osmosis, movement of neutral solute, movement of polar molecules with the help of carrier protein, and osmosis, movement of water or solvent. Another structure, there is a mesosome present in the bacteria, formed by extension of the plasma membrane into cell in the form of vesicle, tubules and lamella, help in cell wall formation, DNA replication and distribution to daughter cells. Also help in respiration, secretion process to increase the surface area of the plasma membrane and enzymatic content. Shell wall: it provides rigidity, supports and shape to the cell. Non-living material found in plants, fungi, bacteria, surrounds plasma membrane, protects cell from mechanical damage and infection, helps in cell to cell interaction, provides barrier to undesirable macromolecules. Cell wall of algae is made up of cellulose, galactans, manganese and minerals like calcium carbonate. Plant cell wall consists of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectins and proteins. So cell wall is the feature of plant cell and some of the bacteria. It is present in addition to the plasma membrane. See, the cell wall made up of, in plants, cellulose, hemicellulose, pectins and protein. In fungi it is chitin. In algae, cellulose, galactans, manganese, minerals like calcium carbonate. Layers of cell wall. First is the lamella, outermost layer made up of mainly calcium pectate, holds or glues the different neighboring cell together. So lamella act as a cementing material between the two plant cells. Primary wall, capable of growth, present in young cells, gradually diminishes as cell matures, made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, present in meristem, pith, cortex, etc. Secondary wall, innermost layer lignified as in sclerenchyma, vessels, tracheids, suberized in Casparian strips, endodermis. Suberin lignin make cell wall impermeable to the water. Present in sclerenchyma, collenchyma and vessels, tracheids. Cell wall and middle lamella may be traversed by plasmodesmata which connects the cytoplasm of neighboring cells. Plasmodesmata are the small pores present in the cell wall that helps to transfer the molecules between the two plant cells. Modification of cell envelope, slime layer, glycocalyx in form of loose sheath, capsule, glycocalyx in the form of thick and tough sheath, and mesosomes extension of plasma membrane. This can be in the form of vesicles, tubules and lamellae. On the basis of capsule of the bacteria in the cell wall, there are two types of bacteria, gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. Gram positive bacteria take up gram stains, gram negative don't take up gram stain. Cytoplasm, the portion of the protoplasm lying inner of cell membrane but outside the nuclear membrane. It comprises gel-like substances that fills the inside of the cell, contains hereditary materials. Nucleus, first described by Robert Brown, the material of the nucleus stained by the basic dyes was given the name chromatin by Fleming. The interface nucleus has nucleoprotein fibers called chromatin, nuclear matrix and one or more spherical bodies called nucleolus. The nuclear envelope is consists of two parallel membranes with a space between called perinuclear space. The outer membrane usually remains continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum and also bears ribosomes on it. At a number of places, the nuclear envelope is interrupted by minute pores. These nuclear pores provide passage for the movement of RNA and protein molecules. Normally, there is only one nucleus per cell. Some mature cells even lack nucleus, like erythrocytes, red blood cells of many mammals, and Schiff's tube of vascular plants. The nuclear matrix or the nucleoplasm contains nucleolus and chromatin. The nucleoli are spherical structure present in the nucleoplasm. It is the non-membrane bound structure. It is the site of active ribosomal RNA synthesis. During cell division, chromatin network condenses into chromosome. Chromatin contains DNA and some basic protein called histones, some non-histonic proteins and also RNA. Every chromosome essentially has a primary constriction or the centromere on the side of which disc-shaped structure called kinetochores are present. See the structure of nucleus.